Championship-winning clutches are what put Tilton on the map. For more than 4 decades, Tilton has been a leading supplier of small-diameter racing clutches. Tilton clutches have won championships in nearly every form of motorsport worldwide, including Formula One, IMSA, NASCAR, IndyCar, Formula Drift, and SCCA to name a few. Tilton applied their nearly 50 years of experience in racing clutches to develop their all-new ST-246 clutch line of twin-disc kits. ST-246 clutches were designed from the ground up as a true performance twin-disc clutch for high-performance street strip applications. Most importantly, Tilton clutch kits are very competitively priced. Tilton ST-246 clutch kits are available for 5th and 6th generation Camaros, C5, C6, and C7 Corvettes, Chevy small block, LS and LT engines, and Ford small block and Coyote engines mated to Tremec TKO and T56 transmissions. ST-246 clutches feature a precision-machined aluminum clutch cover that shares technology from Tilton's championship-winning OT Series racing clutches. The main pressure plate and floater plate are attached to the clutch cover with heavy-duty straps that are designed to provide clean clutch release. Machined from the same proprietary materials as used in Tilton's racing clutches, the high-mass main pressure plate and floater plate provide high heat capacity and resist warpage. Tilton ST-246 clutches are available with either organic or cerametallic discs. The organic disc with sprung center hubs dampen engine vibration and reduce gearbox noise to provide smooth engagement for street use, and they hold 850 pound-feet of torque. The cerametallic disc with solid center hubs provides positive and precise engagement characteristics for street strip applications and holds 1,250 pound-feet of torque. Tilton ST-246 clutch kits include a billet chromoly flywheel, providing strength and long-term durability. Unlike loose-fitting bolts and dowels used by competitors, Tilton's ST-246 clutches use a precision register in the flywheel to accurately locate the clutch assembly. Tilton ST-246 clutches are designed to work with most OEM release bearings or Tilton hydraulic release bearings. With streetability, reliability, and affordability in mind, Tilton's ST-246 clutch line is a slam dunk for any high-performance street vehicle. Check out tiltonracing.com and get the performance clutch you need for your car today.